Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this all pink builder gel kit from Makartt. So first things first, I really love the packaging. It's super pretty with the different shades of pink. This kit kind of reminds me of the Makartt pink poly gel kit, except the only difference is this one is builder gel and it is an all pink kit, but it's all matte pink, which is super cute. I'm really excited to show you guys this kit, especially because it comes with so many colors. So the first thing you get is a 100/180 grit nail file, and you do get a little instruction manual. They always include this with their kits, which is really good. It shows you how to apply the product, remove it, and on the back you have your frequently asked questions and then some other products that Makartt sells on their website. You also get this really pretty pink gel brush with little rhinestones on the inside of it. You don't really use the gel brush with this kit as much, so you could use it for something else, but this is one of my favorite brushes that they've included in their kits. I haven't seen a brush like that yet, so yeah, that is definitely one of my favorites. It's really pretty. You also get an 8 milliliter base gel and a top gel, and I'm gonna open it up really quick so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. As you could see, the brush is really nice and decent size for your nails, and I love the matte bottle style. You also get 50 nail forms. I don't really use nail forms, but I think you would get a set done a lot faster with this kit if you did use nail forms, because you wouldn't waste time putting on tips. You would just go right in and apply the gel that way. I just prefer to use tips, but I definitely do want to try it with the nail forms one day. So here's what the bottle looks like. You have your number on the front, ingredients on the back. When you open it up, you have your little squeeze tube, and you just squeeze the gel right up and it goes right onto the nail that way. And it's not hard to squeeze these out at all. The gel comes out very easily, and you get 12 different colors in this kit. I literally love every color in this kit. Like, I couldn't even decide which one I wanted to put on my nails, so that's why I pretty much use every single color that comes in this kit. But the good thing about this product is that it is way faster than poly gel, and it's easier to control, and you don't need a spatula or a slip solution to apply it. You just squeeze it right out of the bottle and onto your nails. Like, you could literally get a set done in like 20 minutes with this kit, and I'm really starting to love this product a lot. So I am going to show you guys some swatches on a paper towel, because I actually ran out of swatch sticks. I'm waiting for them to come in the mail. But yeah, I'm going to show you what every color looks like, but here are all of them all together. So the first color I'm going to be swatching is 001, which is the clear. I'm going to be showing each color and then swatching them on the paper towel. And they're all 15 milliliter bottles, by the way. I forgot to mention that before. But overall, I'm really happy with all the colors. They're very opaque, and if I were to choose an ideal consistency for gel, this would be it. They're not too liquidy and not too thick. They're right there in the middle, so they're really easy to work with, in my opinion, especially if you're like a beginner. And they self-level very well. And yeah, they're very easy to squeeze out of the tube. Sometimes I have the issue with poly gel where it doesn't want to come out of the tube, and that gets like really annoying. But these come out very easily with little pressure. You barely have to squeeze the bottle to get the gel out. So yeah, and I am going to be swatching each one, and then I'm going to be curing them in my lamp for 60 seconds to show you guys what they look like after curing. Depending on your lamp is how long you would want to cure them for. You'd have to refer to the instructions. I'm going to be curing for 60 seconds. Some people only have to cure for 30, and others have to cure for 2 minutes. So it all depends on what type of lamp you have. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this kit, I'll be sure to leave the link in the description box. And I do have a discount code with Makartt since I am an affiliate with them now. It's Stay Polished 91 for 15% off. If you guys ever shop there, you can use my code. But here is a final look at all the colors before I go ahead and cure them in my lamp. Okay, so here are all the colors after curing in my lamp. As you can see, they all stayed the same color. None of them changed, and the clear is still super clear. It doesn't have any yellow tinge to it. Overall, I'm really impressed with this kit. Makartt really did their thing with it, and I'm really getting into this type of builder gel in the squeeze tube. I think it's really nice and easy to work with, and you could like literally get your nails done so fast. That's why I'm starting to like it a lot. So moving on to the tutorial, I did prep my nails off camera, and now I'm going in with the base gel from the kit, and this is going to give that builder gel something to stick to. I cure this layer for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going in with the yellow color in number 007, and guys, this is literally so easy to apply to your nails. It requires like little to no effort. So basically what I'm doing is I'm applying the gel by the cuticle, and then I kind of just work my way side to side down the nail, and I'm constantly squeezing the tube very lightly as I'm going down the nail. And every once in a while you're gonna want to like drag the corners down so that they don't kind of like overflow, if you know what I mean. And you want to make sure that you get the side walls covered with the gel before you go to cure, otherwise your nails will be like uneven. And it's good that the tip of the bottle is small enough so you can fit into those small areas, and you just want to make sure that everything is even before you go and cure. And I do use the brush that came with the kit to kind of like tighten up the sides, or kind of try to like move the gel to make it even. But don't be too worried about making it really even on the first try. You can always do that when you go in with your second or third layer. And I'm flash curing with my Makartt mini UV LED lamp. This one is from their pink poly gel kit, and I'm just doing that so that the gel stays in place, and so that it doesn't move when I move on to the next nail. The next color I'm going in with is that orange color, which is 008, and I'm basically just doing the same thing on every single nail and just flash curing. But before I apply the second layer to the nails, I do cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds to make sure that the gel's cured all the way through before I move on to the next layer. For the ring finger, I'm going to be going in with that pink color in 005 and the pinky in 004, continuing to do the same thing, and then I'll be showing you guys how I go in with the third layer, because I do a total of 3 layers on my nails, because I kind of felt like they were a little bit sheer after 2, so I went in with a third layer because I like to wear my nails long and I needed a little bit more thickness as well as building up the colors. So I'll be showing you guys how I do that after this. Alright, so I did go in with a second layer of the gel on every nail off camera, and now I'm going in with a third layer. I figured I would show the third layer so we're not sitting here all day going through like 3 whole layers on my nails. But basically I just applied the same exact way as I did the first time, just over the last layer I did before, and I'll be flash curing. But remember to do a final cure in your big lamp before you go to file, shape, and buff. I'll be filing and shaping off camera, but as always I'll link my filing and prep routine in the cards. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do that, you just click the little eye in the top right. To finish the design, I'm going in with the top gel from the kit on all of the nails and top coating them. As you can see, this top coat is super shiny and it makes all the colors look really beautiful. At first, when I went to go file the nails, I was a little worried because when I was applying the gel, I wasn't sure if I was applying it even enough because this was my first time. So I tried to get it as even as possible, but it actually filed very nicely and the color is super even all over, so I'm really happy about that. So you guys don't have to stress too much about that part if you were wondering. So yeah, that is about it for this set, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a like or a comment. I really like hearing your guys' thoughts. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next one.